What if I told you the average SUV can cost nearly $10,000 per year just to own and maintain? It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. The good news is this: not every SUV is a financial disaster. Some models quietly rack up 400,000, even 500,000 miles with little more than oil changes, filters, and basic maintenance. Today, I'm breaking down 9 smart SUVs that save you money on repairs, insurance, and depreciation. I'll also explain when an extended warranty actually makes sense and when it's nothing more than wasted cash. Stick around for number 1, plus a bonus segment where I reveal 2 SUVs that can destroy your budget faster than a bad investment. If you want to buy once and drive for decades, let's begin. Number 5. Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai completely rewrote its reputation with the Santa Fe. The standout feature here is peace of mind, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That warranty acts like a built-in extended coverage plan, protecting you from major repair expenses. Real-world owners routinely report 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Fuel efficiency is competitive, insurance rates are reasonable, and resale values continue to improve. If you want dependable transportation without financial stress, the Santa Fe is a strong contender. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has long battled the RAV4 for dominance, and in recent years it's taken the lead. With excellent fuel economy, top-tier safety ratings, and legendary durability, some early CR-Vs are approaching 500,000 miles. Insurance companies reward its safety record with lower premiums, and resale values remain among the highest in the segment. Practical, efficient, and nearly indestructible. Number 3. Lexus LX. The Lexus LX is luxury built on legendary durability. Beneath the refined interior lies the heart of a Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle known worldwide for surviving extreme conditions and massive mileage. It's not uncommon to see LX models surpass 400,000 miles, with some examples overseas exceeding 1 million miles. Yes, fuel economy is poor, but reliability is unmatched. Depreciation is minimal, and resale values remain extremely high. Compared to European luxury SUVs with eye-watering repair costs, the LX is a fortress on wheels. Number 2. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback helped create the crossover category before it was even a trend. In the 1990s, Subaru took a wagon, added rugged styling, standard all-wheel drive, and suddenly families had a vehicle that handled snow, dirt roads, and daily commutes effortlessly. Here's the impressive part. Many Outbacks passed 200,000 miles with nothing but routine service. With consistent maintenance, some reach 300,000 miles or more. That's why mechanics rarely see them from major failures. Insurance companies favor the Outback as well, thanks to its IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, which often translates to lower premiums. While the base 2.5-liter engine prioritizes efficiency over speed, the 2.4-liter turbo delivers 260 horsepower without sacrificing longevity. Standard all-wheel drive across the lineup also means balanced wear and fewer long-term surprises. If you're shopping used, the 2020 model year offers the perfect balance of modern tech, safety, and value. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Don't underestimate this compact SUV. The Honda HR-V delivers outstanding reliability, impressive fuel economy, and low ownership costs. Owners frequently report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Insurance costs stay low, resale value remains strong, and its simplicity works in its favor. For long-term ownership on a budget, the HR-V is one of the smartest choices available.